Well, here he is. It is a chipmunk. This is the follow-up video after I set up a one-way on a porch where rodents were getting into. And again, I don't know that this is the rodent responsible for going in there, or one of them. But he is apparently small enough, I think maybe he could have been going inside there. And now that one way, I'll make sure rodents that leave can't get back in. And he can be relocated or done with how, you see fit if you need to trap a chipmunk. Nice thing about a have-a-heart trap is on top of having this nifty plate right here so an angry chipmunk can't bite you when you go to transport it, is once you flip this thing upside down, these locking bars drop out of the way, and these locking bars will drop out of the way, and the doors can open up nice and easy without you ever having to put your fingers in the way. You just take it and flip it upside down where you intend to release the offending animal. And again, for some reason, have-a-hearts just seem to be better than anything else, live trap or kill trap, when it comes to catching these little critters. Hi there. Yep, you're a menace. I know, you don't intend to be.